Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to scan QR code using your iPhone. So first of all, go to App Store and then in the search bar click and search QR code. Then click download. After downloading, click open, click allow, and now you can easily scan any QR code. For example, I scan this and it's worked perfectly. You can also create your own QR code. Come back to home and click creator, click plus icon, and you can select any code type you want to create: URL, phone number, text, anyone you want. For example, I create QR code for URL, and for example click create, then click create, and this is the QR code for google.com. Thank you so much for watching me. See you to the next video.